I don't know about you, but I'm planning on living for a long time. I meditate, I work out, I juice. I'm looking forward to being an auntie and going shopping in my pajamas. But the fact is, I need to prepare for the eventuality of death too, which is why I am looking into term life insurance. What about you? How long are you planning to live? Hi, my name is Vanessa Ho, and you may know me from my Instagram, vanessa.h. I'm an NUS business grad, a content creator, an entrepreneur, and a former intern at Singlife with Aviva. And now I'm back to find out everything we need to know about insurance, investing, and how to make the most out of your money. And mine too. Today, I'm talking about term life insurance. What is it? Do you need it? And if so, why? The first thing you need to know is that there are two types of life insurance: term life and whole life insurance. I've already made a video about whole life insurance, and it's fairly self-explanatory. Whole life insurance covers you for the whole of your life until you die, whenever that may be. Die? Oh my god, did someone say die? Okay, hey, we're all adults here, so let's acknowledge that we aren't immortals and move on, shall we? Let's say you have a young family. If you were to die unexpectedly, your spouse will still have to pay for the mortgage, living expenses, and kids' education. With a term life insurance policy, which covers you for a fixed period, the cash payout can help cover some of these costs. That's why insurers use the term protection to describe life insurance, as you're protecting your loved ones against financial stress and burdens if you're no longer around. Term life insurance covers you for the duration of the term, hence the term term. Terms can be 10, 20, or 30 years or even more. For example, if your child is 5 years old today, you could take out a term policy to protect yourself for another 20 years until they are 25, when you think they should be more independent. So that's how you decide on a duration of a policy. The next question is, how much cover should you get? The answer depends on how much you think your loved ones will need after you're gone. Maybe you think you need $500,000 to support your child over the next 20 years. So, you would take a term life policy for that amount and duration. If you should die within the 20 years, your family will get $500,000 to help cope with their expenses. Now let me introduce an insurance term. It's called the death benefit. It's basically the payout your loved ones get after you die. Back to the example earlier, the payout will be $500,000. With term life insurance, you can reduce your cover every few years as your child grows older. Like when they're 10, you can reduce your cover to $400,000, and when they are 15, you can reduce the cover to $200,000. Here's another example. Taking care of your parents. If you're supporting them, you want to make sure that if something happens to you, they're still being well taken care of in their golden years. With term life insurance, you can decide, for instance, on a policy which covers you for 20 years. If your parents are now 70, it means that until they are age 90, if something should happen to you, they will be financially taken care of. How much cover again? Well, it all depends on how much you think they will need for the 20 years. And again, this can reduce as the years go by. So you decide on your duration of cover or your term, and the sum assured based on your needs and your stage in life. Don't forget you have to name the beneficiaries, that is, the people who will receive your death benefit. Finally, what happens if you don't die by the end of the term? Simple. The policy ends and your premiums stop, but remember, you don't get anything back. It's not a savings or investment product. A term life insurance policy is really about protecting your loved ones should you die. You may ask, why do it when I don't get any money back? I can opt for whole life or ILPs. Well, the answer is, it is the most affordable way to protect your loved ones. Premiums are generally much cheaper for the amount of cover. From children's education, paying off loans, to even being able to contribute to your parents' golden years. It's something you can plan for now. Singlife offers two term life insurance plans. Singlife Simple Term is a yearly renewable policy that covers you for death, terminal illness, and total and permanent disability from as little as 37 cents per day for $500,000 coverage. Singlife Elite Term pays out upon death or the diagnosis of a terminal illness. Plus, you can increase your coverage as you reach key milestones in life and enjoy paying the same premium amount through the coverage period. Both products can be enhanced with add-on riders for extra benefits, and you can find out what they are by clicking on the links in the description below. And if you're a MINDEF or MHA personnel, you can buy cover up to $1 million in term life insurance for only $1.37 a day, and cover your spouse and children under the voluntary scheme. So if you want term life or whole life, It's up to you. But if you like this video, give us a like. And if you'd like to keep improving your financial knowledge with me, hit subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!